Hello everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day. Have you ever wondered how to use Apple Music for free and add your own songs to the app? In this video, we're going to show you how to do it step by step. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It gives us so much energy. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Easiest Mobi Mover. Click on the first website. Then click on Free Download to download and install the program. After the installation, click on Start Now. Next, connect your device to your computer using a cable. Go to the PC to Phone tab. Click on Select Files. Choose the songs you want and click on Transfer. Once the transfer is complete, go to the Apple Music app on your device, and in the Library section, you'll see that your songs have been added to the app. Using this method, you can enjoy the high-quality experience of Apple Music and make the most of listening to your favorite tracks.